Hello, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. This is the final episode of Repairing Old Building. Thanks for watching. Hope you have seen the other four episodes. This is the final episode, which we are having the opening of this bar. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Please like, share, and subscribe. Nice to have you watching. Notice we remove all copyright reggae music from the background. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment. That's it for now. Thanks for watching Repairing Old Building in Jamaica. See you. Bye.